So I heard you were looking for a one-bedroom apartment, and I think I found the perfect home for you. Let's take a look. So today we're touring our one-bedroom apartment at a 552 square foot floor plan. Lots of great features of this floor plan include a lot of great storage space, larger bedroom area, as well as the open living room and kitchen area. Right off your entrance, you'll notice you have a coat closet. And this begins one of many storage opportunities for you. Larger living room area, wall-to-wall carpeting, AC unit in the wall. This will open up into a nice kitchen area. This open concept really makes the room look a lot bigger. This one's an upgraded kitchen, dark maple cabinetry, stainless brush appliances, and a great glass tile backsplash. Really brings that kitchen alive. You'll have a dishwasher, overhead microwave, a nice size fridge, as well as vinyl plank flooring. Depending on your floor level, you'll either have a balcony or a patio, but no matter where you are in our community, you'll have a great view. Just 5 minutes away from Wayne, 7-minute walk to the train station, as well as our shopping centers, Acme and Target right next door. Our buildings are concrete, so that'll help with noise reduction, as well as insulation, as well as a 24-hour maintenance team taking care of all your emergencies. You'll have a linen closet right here. Shelving unit helps with storage and organization. And a great surrounding tile. Lots of space for a king-size bed, dresser, nightstands, and a wall unit AC, as well as another great view, and a larger closet in the bedroom area, also with storage up top. I hope you enjoyed your tour with me today, and let me know how I can make this home yours.